Every season I'm ballin'. Brody walk down like he Kimbo. He hopping out the little shots out the window. I'm from the two drippin' sound like Lorenzo. Little nigga Glock when he make him look tenfold. He posted up on the back strip, flipping that work. He do semis and front flip. We put your bro on the run list. Soon as that work coming in and touchdown, I'ma punt it. It's gone.
Alright, what's up everyone? YouTube seems not to be making my videos monetized and stuff. And I have some banger videos. They just gotta get monetized. But since it doesn't want to do that, I don't want to skip another day for y'all. So I'm gonna just show y'all around. I'm gonna show y'all what I do with the gaming channel. Subscribe to that. We got more MX Bikes content coming soon. We'll have GTA RP coming soon as well. Still have yet to find a server, but I'm gonna show y'all what I do. I'll show y'all the bikes downstairs, and yeah. All right, this is my PC setup. I don't know what it is. I don't know anything, but yeah, I got this on. I got the little mic right here. I got that Xbox controller, and then you know what I'm saying. All right, we're in this pup. You know what I'm saying. You can see I got GTA, MX Bikes, Steam, Discord, stuff like that. Hold up. You know what I'm saying? That's my guy. I got the YZ125. I got the V Loan on, the little Nike hat, and the off-white ones. All right, bet. Sure. Oh, I forgot to connect my controller. Oh. Y'all ready to hear the zap? You ready? Oh, hold up. Oh, hold up. Oh! John tried tossing me. Hold up. I'ma really get in that pup. I don't know why you can't pick up at high speed. That's annoying. Oh man. Oh. What the? Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna give this Sean about one more wheelie.
screw it. Y'all are gonna need to go to the gaming channel to see the work. You know what I'm saying? I'm a little rusty right now. It's the morning. It's my first wheelie. But yeah, we're about to wrap this pup up and go to the garage real quick.
Alright, update on the KX. I took the stator cover off. I don't know what to look for. I don't know. Like, I don't know what to tell, what. It looks like they stripped the timing screws right here. Not stripped, but you know, it looks like they messed with them. So it could be that, but I'm not sure. And I don't have a flywheel puller, so I can't take that off. So I'm not sure, but it is definitely something electrical. It's getting sparks sometimes. Here's the CDI box. I'm not really sure. This wire looks weird, but see, like, it looks like a rope. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that, but y'all can see that orange wire right there. It looks like a rope. I don't know why or what, if it's supposed to look like that, but if y'all could let me know. It's only gonna spark sometimes. Like, you can kick it like 4 times, it'll get spark, and then the next 4 kicks, it won't get spark. So if y'all have any idea what that is, then let me know, because I have no idea. It's not making sense. But yeah, it's definitely something electrical on this bike. I'm not sure. It's got great compression, good crank, brand new top end, reeds are good, carb is clean. We're down to only a couple more options because 2-strokes aren't that big, and you know, so yeah. And since Hain, we got the C100 right here. I got the other one in my truck. Came with the plastics, the KX. There's a C2, it just has a wheel off right now. I didn't mess with that or anything. Actually, it's got a broken brake lever, as you can see. That's on snag. This John needs the chain untangled, because I need to get it untangled. Got the big ripper right here. Y'all been asking about that bike. It's on right there. KX110L. This one is the one with the clutch. You see right here, clutch. Got some orange plastics for it. Got a new wheel. This wheel is a little better than the old one. I gotta repaint it though. We got the YZ450F right here. 2017 pup. 2017. Good John. I'm probably gonna sell this bike just because it's kickstart. But I'll probably sell this one and this one and get a new 450 probably. And then of course we got my favorite bike right here. I don't know why the plastic's falling off. I need to get some bolts. But yeah, there you go. YZ. This is honestly my favorite bike. Like, all the bikes I've had, this is definitely my favorite one. I'm about to redo this whole bike soon. And then we're gonna I'll probably redo the YZ before I sell it too. Do y'all remember this bike? Let's see. See how OG y'all are. Got the long live Bill, one way, SE crew. Reflex rider. This John is old. This is from my old 150. And then we got all the white plastics in here for my old 150 as well. I'm thinking about getting another 150. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Should I get another 150? Because those bikes are fun and they're enjoyable. But I definitely, either I'm gonna fix this bike up, this 450, or I'm gonna sell it and buy a newer 450. I'm not sure. Let me know what y'all think. Should I keep this bike or should I buy a new one? Oh my God, I just hit my head on that and that hurt a lot. That's my old wheel. The one that got hit by the motorcycle right there. Got some beast mode tires right there. Shit, I don't know what else. If y'all know what's going on with the KX, please tell me. If y'all ever had a situation where it's getting sparked sometimes and other times it's not, because I don't know what is going on. This is not making sense to me. Like I said, top end is good, bottom end looks good. Brand new spark plug, brand new fresh gas, brand new gaskets, all that. Everything should be running as it should, but something electrical is messed up, and I'm not sure what it is. But if y'all know, please let me know so I can get this pup on the road. I'll do a little video on it. I'll probably do like one video on this John, because this John is too small for me. And then, yeah, she'll be up for sale right after that vid. So, yep. If y'all let me know what's going on with it, we can get it on the road quicker, and it'll be up for sale quicker for one of y'all. Yeah, so if y'all let me know what's wrong with that John, that John will be up for sale, like I said, and one of y'all could buy it if y'all want. And I'm gonna let it go for a decent price. Just because of the time I put into it and everything like that. But hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. Subscribe to the gaming channel, One Way Stephen Games. Make sure y'all do that, because I'm gonna be uploading a lot of content to that John soon. As soon as we get that John rolling, then you know what I'm saying, we got a lot of stuff planned for 2022. And yeah, hope y'all enjoy. Hope y'all stay with me. Subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what's going on with the KX if y'all know. And I'll see you guys later.
Right now he run 10 meter live, bro. Youngin', but he burned all his stripes like he a tiger. You gon' kiss her, you a wife, I'm a listener and a writer. I could hit your sis, but I've been laying back, cause I'm a sniper. We've been doing this for too long.